Building neural networks today requires deep expertise in PyTorch, Python, TensorFlow, and hours of debugging tensor-shaped mismatches. Students struggle with boilerplate code instead of learning core concepts. Researchers waste their time on implementation details rather than experimentation. What if you could design, train, and deploy neural networks as easily as making Lego figures? Well, meet AxonX, a visual machine learning platform powered by AI. Build production ready neural networks with drag and drop blocks, train on real GPUs with live metrics, and get to learn through interactive challenges. Let me walk you through some of our most important features, such as our courses for education. As of now, we've made 5 different courses, each at different levels of machine learning skills. These courses are intended for people to better learn how neural networks work at their core and how to make them themselves. Today, in this demo, we are going to guide you through the course Making Your First CNN. Let's get started. So as you open the lesson, we can see that we provide the lesson details, what you learn and what you build. Then we go over every block that is required and why it is required. Going on to the first block, we can see each block comes with its own set of instructions and why it is required. After adding a few blocks, we come across our first checkpoint. Here the course performs checks on if all the components are being used properly. After this, we can proceed on building the flow. Okay, now it's time for us to finally train the model. After the model is done being trained, it is automatically saved on a cloud GPU instance. Not only that, but it can also be tested with custom or uploaded images right here on the website. Let's test the CNN we just made. This is not all. You're not limited to making the flows from the courses, and you can try building whatever you want. We feel that this functionality will aid both newcomers to the subject and seasoned researchers. Here, you can build your own flows, experiment with hyperparameters, and deploy and test the models. You can converse with a chatbot that can see your flow in its current state and provide you suggestions and help if required. So that's AxonX. We took some of the most frustrating parts of learning ML, the code, the setup, the cryptic errors, and replaced it with something visual and guided. Students get a canvas to build in, a mentor to learn from, and a real model execution to see the results. The whole point is learning AI shouldn't require fighting your way through a buggy development environment first. AxonX is made to make AI education and research easier for everyone. Students get to learn better, researchers can experiment faster. Everyone builds better models. Thank you.